Hey everyone, it's Jay. Today we're going to have a look at how CO2 becomes an acid in water. So I'll start with some pure water. I actually brought this home from Amherst because our spring water is too acidic, but this is from the fountain outside my office. Put a little water in here, and I'm going to add some pH dye. What we're going to see is this dye, this solution is going to be green when the pH is more basic and become more yellow as the pH becomes more acidic. So I'll add 3 drops, 1, 2, 3. And we'll check the pH on that. I'm going to say, yeah, maybe 7.5, 7, somewhere in there. Oops, the whole thing went. Hopefully you can see that. Now I'll add some CO2. My fancy CO2 method. I'm going to blow into it. It'll spill just a little bit. That's okay. All right, and let's see where we ended up. Well, probably down at 5.5, maybe even lower. At any rate, the pH dropped. Now what I'm going to do is add some baking soda, which is sodium bicarbonate, to this water. So I'll toss out what I had before. We have our household condiments, both vinegar and baking soda, have to be gluten-free since I have celiac disease. So we don't have the typical Arm & Hammer that you would see, but I'm not even being very scientific about it. I'm just adding some, and you'll see I'll have to make some correction. So we have some baking soda in there. I don't know how much, but there's plenty of sodium bicarbonate to buffer it. Now, what's going to happen when I add the pH dye? This is going to become a basic solution. The sodium bicarbonate is a base. There's no hydrogen attached. So I am going to have to add a little acid to get to the same starting pH, and I'm just going to do that trial and error through titration. So that's very, very green comparatively. It's going to be kind of off the charts there. So I'm going to add a little acid. I think this is in the ballpark of where we started before. Maybe just a teeny bit lower, pH of 7, something like that. All right. But that's plenty to get us started. All right, so what I'm going to do now is the same thing, and we'll see what happens. No change in pH so far. I'll keep going. All right, I'm not going to be able to change that very much because the sodium bicarbonate has buffered the acid, the CO2, that's forming carbonic acid in the water.